Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are good. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a get ready with me hair and makeup. I think I want to do something like Valentine's Day inspired. I don't know if I'm going to get this video up in time for Valentine's Day. Hopefully I can, but if I can't, then it'll just still be a look. Yeah, so I'm just going to get started with my hair first. This is hair from Eullair hair. This is their Malaysian loose wave. I have it 4 bundles and a closure. I constructed the wig myself on a dome cap, and this is how the hair looks. I got this type of wave pattern from just braiding the hair into like 2 braids. I don't know what I want to do with this hair. I don't know if I want to straighten it. I really don't feel like straightening this hair because it's a lot and it's gonna take too long to straighten all this hair. So I'm gonna just leave it how it is and just kind of like make it look more presentable and, you know, just more cute. I'm just gonna start by brushing it out. I've been wearing this hair for about a week, and so far I really do like it. I don't have any complaints with the hair as of now. It's really soft, it's really manageable. As you can see, it doesn't tangle a lot, it doesn't shed that much. Well, I'm just gonna spritz the hair with some water. I think I'm just gonna do my 2 braids again. I've been really liking that type of look that the braids give me, so that's what we're gonna do again. I'm just going to put my scarf on to lay everything down while I'm doing my makeup. So for my makeup today, I'm going to be working with 2 different palettes. The first one is from Karity. This is their Picante palette. So we're going to be using a little bit of this. And I also have my Juvia's Place Masquerade mini palette. I've had this for like 2 months and I have not even used it. Well, I've used like 1 shade, but I haven't used like the palette as a whole. So I'm gonna try to incorporate some shades from this palette right here. And I just feel like playing some music while I'm doing my makeup, that's the most therapeutic thing for me. Like, I just like to put on some jams and do my makeup. So I'm probably just gonna like just show you guys what I'm doing, and, you know, just play some music over the clips. Just like a really chill get ready with me style video. So yes, let's get into it and let's see what type of look we come up with. Okay guys, so this is the finished look right here. I am feeling this whole entire look. Like, wow, who is she? I love the eyes, I love the hair. Like, the hair is just so perfect for this look. Make sure you guys go check out Eullair hair. I'll have the link for this specific hair down in my description box along with a coupon code so you guys can save some coin. So definitely go check them out. This hair is really bomb. 10 out of 10, definitely would recommend. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys are enjoying these videos that I'm putting out. I'm trying to be more consistent with my YouTube channel. That was one of my goals for 2019, was to just be more consistent with my YouTube channel. And so far I'm doing pretty good. I'm definitely seeing the growth in my channel, so I'm super happy about that. I'm just really excited for what's to come in the future, and I just want to thank you guys so much for like rocking with me and like supporting me and all that. So you guys are the best. I will see you guys in my next video, and I love you guys so much. So bye.